Hey fam, welcome back. In today's video, we're gonna be unboxing my BoxyCharm Base and Premium for the month of October 2021. So if you'd like to see what I got in my Base and Premium boxes, go ahead and stay tuned. We're gonna get into it right now. So let's go ahead and start with Base. And before I go any further, I mean the stories that this box could tell. I'm curious. BoxyCharm Base does retail for $25 a month. Being subscribed to BoxyCharm does also enable you to take advantage of their add-on and pop-up shop as well once a month, starting on the date of the choice window and then extending usually like maybe a week or so. And there have been some changes to BoxyCharm that I want to discuss with y'all, but we'll get into that in a minute. So the BoxyCharm theme for this month is Spellbound, and I think this is so adorable. It's got such a cute like Halloween-y theme. All the candles and the purple and black smoke. And then all the products and prices are listed on the back of the card. So the first product that I see in my box is a set of Faux Lashes. These are from Camara Aunique Beauty, and they are the style Mary Lash. This style is a little bit shorter on the interior and it gets a little bit longer on the exterior, which is my favorite style of lash. I do wear false lashes often with my makeup look, so I can see myself getting some use out of these products. This style does look a little bit more subtle, a little bit more everyday, which is nice. It's nice to have a variety of lashes. Many of you might know that I do prefer bigger lashes, more dramatic lashes, but these are kind of reminiscent of the Ardell ones I have on today. And I like the hard plastic carrying case. So this is a nice start to the base box for sure. The next product in my box was my choice item, which also looks like it has a story to tell. This is the Tarte C Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream. We get a lot of skincare in our BoxyCharm boxes, but one product that I don't think we get very often is eye cream. I feel like we get a lot of moisturizers, masks, serums, but eye cream is something that I just don't have a whole lot of, and I was so grateful to see this as a choice for this month. They did have some nice choice products. I don't recall what the other ones were at this time, but this is the one that I felt like I could get the best use out of. This is what the component looks like. And it does come sealed. I do have a couple eye creams open right now, so I'm gonna wait on this product, but I am so grateful to get an eye cream because my under eyes are deep in the struggle. So far I'm excited by the first two products. Our third product is one from Appeal. This is the Adhesive Liquid Liner in Jet Black. So I do have a clear liner like this and a black liner like this from Kiss. I haven't used them a whole lot because I'm not like the most skilled with liquid liner. I usually have to go in and clean it up and do all kinds of stuff. So I've always been like a little bit intimidated by products like this, but I'm excited to get it because I do wear, like I said, false lashes often with my makeup looks. But like I said, I do only have one other product like this from Kiss, so I'm excited to try a new product. I haven't tried a ton from Appeal, but this is a product that actually excites me and I feel would be very helpful in my collection. The next product is this one from Tint. It's TYNT. This is the Lash and Brow Duo. It looks like it has black mascara on the bottom and then brown brow gel on the top. So this is the product here. It's a pretty neat idea. I don't know how I feel about this tone, if this is true to the color. It's a little bit red for me. It's a bit of a weighted product. It feels pretty high quality in terms of the component. So I'm excited to try this. And hopefully this brown mascara will work well for my eyebrows, but if not, at least the black mascara for sure I can use because I use black mascara. And then the last product in my box is an eyeshadow palette, also a little banged up. This is from Ace Beaute, and this is the Falling For You palette. I believe this is a brand new launch from Ace Beaute, and I believe that this is in their brand new formula. So this is the front of the palette, and then inside this is the color story. It does have a nice mirror, and this palette does include 4 shimmers and 8 mattes. I'm very curious to try Ace Beaute's new formula. This looks like a really pretty color story. I like that they have it more neutralish for fall, but it's not totally neutral. There's still a lot of really pretty pops of color, like candy corn. Obviously the shimmers are really beautiful. This one looks very pretty up here at the top. It's like a champagne-y pink with like a silvery pearl running through it. And then you've got a couple warm tones, a couple cool tones. These just look really, really pretty. I'm very excited to try the new formula. And I find this color story pretty inspiring. So now let's go over some prices. The Tarte Wink of H2O Vegan Collagen Eye Cream retails for $35. So right there, we already have the value of the box. The Ace Beaute Falling For You palette retails for $34.99. The Tint Beauty Lash and Brow Duo retails for $29. That seems a little bit high for a brand I've never heard of before, but it does include 2 products. The Camara Aunique Beauty Mary Lash retails for $25, which also seems a little bit pricey. I think that might be more than even MAC lashes cost, and MAC is obviously a much more notable brand than this one. But I do like that this has a clear lash band. Sometimes those are a little bit more natural looking, and I do like the hard plastic case. And then our last product was the Appeal Cosmetics Adhesive Liquid Liner. This retails for $29, and again, that just seems very high for a liquid liner from Appeal. I have gotten several products from this brand in BoxyCharm, and like I said, with Kiss having an adhesive black liner just like this for like probably like 10, 12 bucks or something, maybe even less, $29 just seems like a really high price tag for this product. Next, let's see what Boxy sent in my premium box. But before we do that, y'all, we need to talk. So BoxyCharm announced that they are going to be raising some of their prices. The BoxyCharm base box is going to stay the same price at $25 a month. However, the premium box is going to be jumping from $35 a month to $40 a month. $5 is not a huge price increase, but it's still more than we've been paying, which begs the question if I want to keep my premium box subscription. Currently, I'm leaning toward yes, because the $5 doesn't seem like the giantest price jump, but it is something I want to think about. I'm pretty sure I'll hang on to it for the rest of the year at least. But I have been considering recently maybe just keeping my base box subscription and then using the pop-ups and add-ons to add whatever products I want to add that might have been in premium. So I'm definitely very curious about your feedback. I'd love some advice from y'all. Do you guys enjoy seeing the premium unboxing? In fact, do you enjoy seeing these BoxyCharm unboxings? All of that will definitely play into my decision as to whether or not I'll keep my subscriptions. The other thing I wanted to mention is that BoxyCharm did mention that BoxyLuxe will also be experiencing a price increase. BoxyLuxe is a quarterly subscription that replaces your base box every March, June, September, and December. It had previously retailed for $50 every quarter. And while I do think it's a good value for $50, the amount of products that you get, I believe that it includes 8 full-size products. I haven't been as into the products in Luxe as of late. Now the price is going to be increasing to $60. I'm fairly sure I'm going to cancel my BoxyLuxe subscription. But again, I'd be curious about your thoughts and your feedback. That's the direction I'm leaning right now, maybe to hang on to premium and cancel Luxe. But I'm super curious as to your thoughts, your feedback, your advice. Please help us sister out. So here's the card for my premium box. Again, we have the same theme, Spellbound, but this one is a little bit different. It does open up to reveal all this information. So we have Boxy breaking news. Add-ons and pop-ups got a makeover. Get members only access to unreal deals at a fraction of the retail price. So first they have Drop Shop, which was formerly add-ons. It says no more FOMO, get items you missed out on. Stock up on must-haves from past boxes, hot brands, and much more. And that happens on October 11th, up to 70% off retail. Then they have a Mega Drop Shop, which was formerly Pop-Up. So this says Drop Shop Supercharged. Score mega deals and the deepest discounts on hundreds of products. Snag hype-worthy beauty brands, tools, wellness, and home items. And this one was formerly Pop-Up. So the add-ons happens on October 11th. Our next pop-up will be November 8th, and this happens only 4 times a year. The add-ons is up to 70% off retail, and pop-up is up to 80% off retail. And then they have the Boxy Beauty Bash. It says don't miss this. It's gonna happen early November, but we don't have a date yet, and this apparently happens only once a year. We have access to our annual holiday blowout sale to shop exclusive products and brand favorites. And then special deals drop all month long. So that's interesting. I guess they're gonna do it kind of like a Ulta 21 Days of Beauty where they have different products discounted at different times during the month. And then it says, you want it, you got it. Choose your products for your next box the second Monday of every month, then shop till you drop. So that's all the new information, I guess, since Ipsy is merged with BoxyCharm. Maybe this is like Ipsy's influence on Boxy, which might also be where this price increase is coming from. So anyway, let's get into the products. So the first product that I see in the box is from Dew of the Gods, Under Eye Volumizing Collagen Pads. There are 10 sets, and it says filler, who is she? This is Filla, and she's filled with the good stuff. You put it on your clean, dry face, you stick the pad under your eye, and then it says you keep them on for 20 to 30 minutes. This brand is a Canadian beauty brand. It's distributed out of Canada. And the ingredients are high polymer hydrogel, glycerin, purified water, collagen, aloe vera, Hamomillus virginiana extract. I have never heard of that ingredient in my life. And then vitamin C. It does say to avoid contact with the eyes themselves or sunburnt or irritated skin. And then you want to discontinue if irritation occurs. So it sounds like there might be some active ingredients in this little guy. And I'm excited to try these. I have definitely been struggling with under eye fine lines, forever struggling. So I'm hoping that these can help. The next product that I see in my box is from Perricone MD. I've heard a lot of great things about this brand and I haven't tried a ton of things. This is the Vitamin C Ester C Brightening Cleanser. I'm always excited to see cleansers in the BoxyCharm boxes. Cleanser is something I go through very fast. It's something that I use every day, and I am excited to try one from this brand. This one can be used daily. It says lather a small amount in hands and gently massage onto damp skin. Rinse thoroughly with warm water. Use morning and evening. And this is for best results. Use it with their moisturizer and their other products. So I'm excited, especially to see a brightening product. I do have a lot of hyperpigmentation on my skin, so perhaps that can help me remedy some of that. The next product that I see in my box is from Lilly Lashes. This is one of my choice products this month. In premium, you do get to select 2 choice products out of your 6 full-size products. This is the Lilly Lashes Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum. I have the saddest little lashes. My bottom lashes aren't too bad, but my top lashes are just like nothing to write home about. I do have a couple lash serums and I've always been a little bit nervous to try them, But I was excited to see Lilly Lash came out with one. I've always just been afraid because I've heard they can like affect the pigmentation in your eyes, and there's just like, I don't know, some warning labels that come with these types of products that have always made me a little bit nervous. But I just feel like Lilly Lashes wouldn't steer me wrong. And this is a 3-month supply. It looks like it can take up to 12 weeks to see full results, so it's nice that you do have all 3 months worth of supply in this component. And then the next 3 products I'm really excited about. First is from Tarte. We have the Maneater Plumping Gloss. This is in the shade Buff, and it looks like a really, really beautiful tone. It's like a brownie mauve, which is like a color I reach for often. And I'm really excited to see Tarte in the box. And I really like this cute little leopard print cap. What a cute component. My other choice product was from LYS. This is the No Limits Matte Bronzer. This is the first product that I'm getting to try from LYS. I really want to try their cream blushes as well as their foundation. And when I saw this as a choice, I was like, please, yes. Yes, I want to try LYS. LYS is a Black-owned clean beauty brand at Sephora. It's fairly affordable, especially for Sephora prices. And I can't wait to see what I think about this bronzer. And this is the bronzer component itself. And here is the shade. And then the last item in my box was another one that I was really excited for, and that is from Benefit. This is the Georgia Blush. This is a product that came out maybe a year ago, maybe less, but I've always been tempted by this. I've always wanted it. I've almost picked this up several times. It does come with a little brush, and then this is the blush shade itself. I can't wait to try this. I have liked Benefit's cheek products. Hola's not my favorite, but it's not a bad bronzer. A lot of people really love that one. And their blushes have always been really pretty. I have a couple of their face palettes, the cheek leaders, and I need to pull for them more. But I'm so excited to finally have this blush. Like I said, this is one I've had my eye on for some time now. So now let's go over some prices. The Benefit Cosmetics Georgia Golden Peach Blush retails for $30. The Lilly Lashes Level Up Lash Enhancing Serum retails for $65, and it indicates that this is a new launch. The Perricone MD Vitamin C Ester Citrus Brightening Cleanser retails for $35. The LYS Beauty No Limits Matte Bronzer retails for $18. The Tarte Maneater Plumping Gloss retails for $19. And our Dew of the Gods Filla Collagen Under Eye Pads retails for $20. So overall, I think we got 2 really good boxes this month. We got a nice amount of makeup products. The skincare I did receive is stuff that really addresses my actual needs, stuff I'm excited about. And I'm super curious to hear your thoughts on the price hikes, as well as my current subscription offerings. Or if you're kind of over BoxyCharm, I'm interested in all of your thoughts in the comments down below. I thank you all so much for being here with me today. I love you all so much, and until the next video, bye.